Hey everyone, I want to do a quick video unboxing and review of these Sylvania Smart Plus bulbs. I got this one for free from Sylvania to test, and here it is. It looks very simple. It's a Zigbee bulb, which means that you'll have to have some kind of hub to control it. They list some compatible ones right here on the side. SmartThings, Wink, Logitech, Iris from Lowe's. I think this should also work with the new Echo Plus that has a Zigbee radio built in. But the other cool thing is these are fully dimmable. They also will change the intensity of the white light from a really warm color to a really cool white color. And they're also colored bulbs, so you can change the color to anything you want in the RGB spectrum. So I'm gonna pause this and try to hook this up to my Wink hub, and let's see what it looks like. Screw this bulb in here, and look at that, colorful. So now I'm gonna open up my Wink app and put this in front of the camera. See if we can get it to focus. And I'm simply going to go up here and add to Wink. We're going to add lighting, and we're going to add a Lightify Smart Plus bulb. I'm going to choose this home hub. And we're going to connect. Let's see what happens. It says it'll blink 4 times. Oh, there it goes. And it says it's ready. I'm just going to click done. And should be at the bottom of the list. Look, there it is, new light bulb. Oh, nice. It has this nice dimming effect to it when you turn it on and off. I really like that. And then if you hold it, you can adjust the color. So this really cool white, and you see it change in the background. It's really cool to see all the colors and different things that it offers. And I'm looking forward to playing around with it some more, and probably linking it up to Stringify or If This Then That, and getting the colors of the light bulb to change based on weather or something else really cool like that. But thanks again, thanks for watching, and I really would recommend this bulb.